Hi, Sean from Mels YouTube book site YouTube channel. All right, today we're going to be talking about the journal. Okay, so let's get started. Just watch my mouse. What is a general ledger? A general ledger is where all financial transactions of a business records are kept that affect a related group of item entries entered throughout the months in the year. For example, inventory stock, purchases, sales, supplies, also known as accounts payable, and customers, also known as accounts receivable. Cash book, petty cash, assets such as computer, cash register, VAT, or GST, and journals. All right, journals control. All right, March. All journals must have a debit entry side with an equal credit entry side and must balance on both sides. Okay. Journals are usually done when you've misposted a payment or made a deposit to a wrong account. A journal is written when either discount is allowed or a discount is received when payment of an account is paid up front. Journals are also done at month end when all accounts have been updated and errors are found, or an adjustment needs to be made to an account. It is then corrected by a journal and put in the account in the general ledger. Number one, correcting adjustments in the journal book and depreciation. And number two, depreciation to do from the assets bought for the shop. All right, so correcting adjustments in the journal book. These are all the adjustments that are made. So in expense, electricity and water, the correction was 43 rand, $43, sorry, and 48 cents. And there was VAT on that, $6.52, put on the debit side. Cell phone mispost of $43.48 on the credit side, and the VAT on that was $6.52. Cell phone account correction of $13.04 on the debit side, and the VAT on that of $1.96. A mispost for electricity and water, $13.04 on the credit side, and $1.96 VAT was charged on that. Okay, cost. Depreciation running expense to debit running costs. $1.30 depreciation on the debit side, and depreciation trial balance to credit the assets in the trial balance of $1.30 on the credit side. As I mentioned earlier, these sides must balance. If you add up all those totals on the credit side and you add up all the totals on the debit side, they must equal to the same amount. If they're not, there's a problem. You've made a mistake somewhere. You need to go find it. Either the figure's incorrect or there's a misplaced post or something. Okay, so the totals come to $66.30. Journals must always balance on the debit and the credit side. I've said this a few times. Just remember, they must be equal. Okay, journals are helpful in correcting misposts into wrong accounts. Also, also for prepaid expenses and accounts that are not entered in the cash book, such as depreciation of an asset. Journals must always balance on both sides equally. Keep going on about that because it's very important. If they don't balance, there's a problem. All right, so that's it on journals. I hope you learned something on this. I hope you guys are able to explain it to you properly. Very important journals. Accountancy is an intricate science. It's very pedantic and procedural generated, so you need to do everything correct because it's all figures. If you're a cent out, everything is out, and you've got to go find it. All right, so that's the end of this one-on-one video. Okay, so please like this video. Please share it with everybody you know. And subscribe to our channel. We're doing all these awesome one-on-one videos on different aspects of accountancy, of bookkeeping. We're breaking up all the accounts into small little pieces so you can understand them better. And also go and watch our bookkeeping course. We've done about 8 or 9 lessons there. It'll teach you everything you need to know on bookkeeping. That goes very intricate into bookkeeping and step by step from the beginning. You don't need any experience. All right, so please subscribe. That's important, and leave comments and suggestions. If we don't know how you feel, if you don't understand the stuff, we don't know that. So please leave any questions or comments and suggestions. Yeah, so that's Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Until our next one-on-one video, good day on you.